state barangayen for the barangay level. We will start also with the schools and Vijay. When the group will come up with the finalists and potential winners at dan to second round na. Pero unannounced. It will just be a spot visit to the group, from the group. Tapos makita mo if they have sustained. They din presentar da, hindi mo na nga na-evaluate da, kadati panan. Sursurto man dito, grupo tayong na. We'll be having the awarding during the LNB night, during the Pamulinawen Festival. Baka early part ng February. Kasi nga ilipas pa ni school eh. We almost have yung elementary schools natin, we have more or less 30, and then yung secondary schools natin, public schools. So, actually, we could have started Wednesday, medyo request the division office DepEd we should give consideration also kasi kasubsubli damit yan nagito eskwela ang nagbakasyon damit for a week, so awan talaga met nakapagdalos kanita wada group schools na